Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College video classes. Now here we are discussing the method is in Richardson extrapolation. Here the Richardson extrapolation, some problems are completed. After the one more problem is there here, the Richardson extrapolation. Just see this one. The following data give an approximations. And we using the data to find out that approximation. And also approximations to the integral is there here, the integral sum integral is there, capital M equals to 0 to 5 sin x. Okay, our the approximations are n1h value and n1h by 2, n1h by 4, n1h by 8. Give n1h by 8 values are there, and we giving n1h by 2 values to find only we giving n1h by 8 values, we automatically we say that we finding our question is an n4h. Okay, n1h by 2 values వరకు ఉన్నాయంటే కంపల్సరీ we finding n4h values only. We giving n1h by 4 values and we find out only n3h values. And in the question has n1h by 8 values, we finding only n4h values. n1h by 8 వరకు వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, వి ఫైండింగ్ ఓన్లీ n4h by h వరకు వాల్యూస్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలగాం. అండ్ h by 4 వరకు ఉంటే వాల్యూస్ వి ఫైండింగ్ ఓన్లీ n3h అంటే ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ n3, ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ n4. Okay, after that assuming only, we don't use in this one, just assuming capital M. We know that already we capital M value is in 0 to 5 integral sin x. Okay, in that capital M value is assuming n1x k1h square is an order of an h square, order of an h power 4, order of an h power 6, order of an h power 4, and then which is directly we write that order of an h power 8. It has an h by 8 values, that's why we taken as an capital M value is an assume, just we assumed only. అంటే మనం అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోమంటుండే it has to give an order of an h by 8 values are there, that's why we assume that. Okay, and to construct the extrapolation table to determine n4h values. Okay, just here only to finding the n4h values, here only with this is an our assumption m value, but m value is an under integral formation is there, we finding that integral after only first approximation is to give in question. Only first approximation has given to find out our second approximation and third approximation and fourth approximation to get our Richardson extrapolation table. To construct only table, our question only has to finding the table and also approximate the our some integral. Okay, these are the capital M values, n1h value, n1h by 4, here n1h by 2 and not n2, n1h by 2, these are only given questions, n1h, n1h by 2, n1h by 4, n1h by 8. So these are the given questions, and assuming our condition is also there, we finding the our capital M value assumption, we finding our capital M equals to 0 to 5 integral sin x dx. Okay, integration of sin x and it becomes minus cos x with the limits 0 to 5. So that's why minus upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit minus cos 5 minus of minus cos 0, upper minus lower, cos 5 value minus 1, cos 0 value minus into minus plus 1, here also minus into minus plus 1. Okay, ఇది minus into minus, ఇది plus automatically, cos 0 1 కదండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ ప్లస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి, అండ్ cos 5 మైనస్ cos 5 మైనస్, ఓకే, cos 5 వాల్యూ minus 1, minus into minus plus it becomes totally 2 is our capital M value. This is our approximation. After we go for the regular process of a Richardson extrapolation, and the total n1h by 8 values are there, to finding the extrapolation n4h value we finding. Okay, now we go for the second approximation n2 of h. The formula of n2 of h equals to n1h by 2 plus n1h by 2 minus n1h by 3. Now substitute that those values to given question is there, n1h by 2 value, here n1h by 2 value, and here n1h value, and divided by 3 to simplify 2.0. After into h by 2, and we finding the first approximation has n1 h by 8 values is there. To find the second approximation n2 h by 4 only. Third approximation we finding n3 h by 2 only. Fourth approximation directly n4 h. Okay, to finding n only one subtract అవుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ అప్రాక్సిమేషన్ నుంచి సెకండ్ థర్డ్ ఫోర్త్ ఇలా రెడ్యూస్ అవుతూ ఉంటుందండి. సో n2 h by 2 ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఇన్ ద h ప్లేస్ వి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ h by 2. ఇక్కడ h ఏముందండి, h ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ ప్లేస్లో h by 2 రాసాము. ఓకే, అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, హెచ్ ప్లేస్లో ఇక్కడ హెచ్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ ఈ వాల్యూ టోటల్ ఈ ప్లేస్లో h by 2 రాసి ఇట్ బికమ్స్ h by 4. హియర్ h by 4, ఇక్కడ h by 2 అవుతుంది. దెన్ సింప్లిఫై, టోటల్ వాల్యూస్ ఆల్సో దేర్. జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ దోస్ టర్మ్స్. Here the capital M value is in what? The capital M value is in 2. Okay, same as in that n2 h value 2 point something, and n2 h by 2 value is also, it becomes n2 h by 2 value, it becomes 2.000, and it becomes all the values are the same conditions, same values. Okay, this is our n2 h by 2, and next we finding n2 h by 4. n1 h by 2, n1 h by 8, n1 h by 4 by 3. Then simplify here. After simplification, it becomes 2.00016 again, which is also 2 point something. Okay, after the last the third approximation, we go for the third approximation, n3 of h. Here the n3 of h formula, n2 h by 2 plus n2 h by 2 minus n2 h by 15. This is our third approximation, n3 h by 2. The values are third approximation. To simplify, it becomes 1.9983645. It is also 2 point nearest value. 2.000. Okay, 1.999. It goes to 2. We considered here 2.00. We goes to 2. 1.99 goes to 2. And we our approximation we take it. In the third approximation, second value n3 h by 2, it becomes n2 h by 4, n2 h by 4, and n2 h by 2 by 15. To get those values are some values, and then substitution simplify to get 1.9999, which is also we get to direct relation is the 2 point something. After the last approximation, that is the finding our question, n4h value is the n4h formula is the n3h by 2 plus n3h by 2 minus n3h by 15. Here not 15 and 63, and here 63, not 15, 63. Above value has 15. Here he placed in the value is in 63. ఇక్కడ మిస్టేక్లో రాశారు 63, just correct. Okay, and then substitution of the values to get 1.9994. Okay, the totally we say that the capital M value and n4h value has an taken as in 2. Why you have to use taken, which is a 1.999, it goes to 2. Just we taken as an approximation, that's why it's taken as in 2. M value is also in 2. This is our relation to finding our process. These are the problems on Richardson extrapolation. This totally check cheskondi. This is the last problem. After that, this is the total completion of an differentiation. It's only differentiation topic is completed. After that, integration topic it starts. I think first topic in the third unit manaki Richardson extrapolation and numerical differentiation, and in that after that this is the next we will go for the integration topics. First numerical differentiation in the third unit, we go for the first topic numerical differentiation. Actually the third unit topic name is the numerical differentiation and integration. Here the first chapter has a numerical differentiation, second chapter is a numerical integration. Ippudu varaku only totally differentiations are there. After that we go for the integration. Numerical differentiation lo the numerical differentiation has only we finding f dash of x terms. In f dash of x terms are the some three formulas are there: forward, backward, 3 point, end point, and 5 point, 8 point, midpoint. Okay, so these are our differentiations, and also one of the most important theorem is Richardson extrapolation. So this is only differentiation. After that the next topic has in that third unit numerical integration. It becomes has an integration, that is we define as an elements of a numerical differentiation. Integration has the first chapter of an in third unit of different solutions in that integration formation. So thank you. We will continue next video in numerical integrations. Thank you.